In this video, we will look at publishing a geospatial data visualization. Mobius can be used to publish scripts that visualize geospatial data. We will look at one such example. In the example, we will download some data from a web portal provided by the Singapore government. The geospatial dataset consists of polygons representing the subzones in Singapore. For each subzone, a number of data attributes are provided. We are interested in visualizing the residential population in each subzone. The data was downloaded in a GIS format called a shapefile. This file was converted to GeoJSON format using an open-source GIS software called QGIS. The GeoJSON file was then imported into Mobius. The different subzone polygons can be seen, along with the polygon attributes. For data visualization, two attributes will be used. The total attribute represents the total residential population, including both private and public housing. The HDB attribute represents the total residential population in public housing. In the second case, HDB stands for Housing Development Board. A simple loop is then created that extrudes each polygon upwards. The extrusion height represents the total residential population and the color represents the residential population in public housing. Red means high levels of public housing, while blue means low levels. In addition, each extruded shape is also converted to a collection. The collections have attributes for total residential and public housing residential. The data values can be displayed in the 3D viewer by selecting the collection. Since the model is generated from geospatial data, the location of the model will already be geospatially correct. This means that when the model is viewed in the Geo viewer, the Singapore data will appear in the correct location on the globe. Setting the longitude and latitude model attribute will affect where the Geo viewer will zoom to when the Zoom All button is clicked. The default longitude and latitude in Mobius is already set to be in Singapore. So in this case, there was no need to set any longitude and latitude. The model can be published in the usual way, just like any other model. In the example, the model has been embedded in the Google Sites website. This website can describe the model and give the background context. This can help visitors understand the overall narrative. The embed code was generated with the Geo viewer as the default viewer. This means that by default Mobius will be opened with the Geo viewer selected.